don't know. You can set them on the sofa. What are you doing?
I'm going to watch the show.
Oh. What are you going to do for the show?
Play music.
Oh, I love music. Who are you playing music for?
For you.
Oh, Mommy loves music.
So actually, for Miss Melody. I think I'm going to make my performance to watch the show.
Oh, they're going to watch your performance?
Yeah.
Who's Miss Melody?
She's the one who played for me in the hospital.
Oh.
And now I'm playing for her and making music movies.
Oh.
Sick.
You're right. She. You know what? You're right. Miss Melody did pray for you when you're in the hospital, and we did pray for her. Could I send her a video of this?
Yes, sir.
Aww. You know what? I'm going to send this to her. Will you blow her a kiss? Blow her a kiss, and I'll send this to her. Aww.